With our Gen 3 Jimny, we developed a packing system over time that really worked well for us. We like the idea of everything having a place and a place for everything. So when you're out on a trip or an adventure, it's not frustrating trying to locate and move items around, but it's simply a matter of accessing and utilizing an item and then putting it back into its place. So with our Gen 4, for the times that we are not going to be towing a trailer, we wanted to develop a drawer or access system that would work in a similar way, allowing us to easily pack and locate items within the car without too much frustration. First up was the design stage. We knew that we wanted a modular type system that could be used as a complete system or as components or parts of the system at any time. And we had seen a drawer system done by a fellow Jimny owner who had utilized the base area by taking the seats out and actually created a rather large access area under the floor bed of the packing system. He shared his concept with us and we managed to develop our system further from there to suit our particular needs. First of all, we did a CAD mock-up to see what possibilities there would be. The idea is to have the two base sliders being able to open independently, to be able to access the items underneath the sliders, but also to, on the left-hand side, create an area for the fridge to attach to and slide out without the need of having to add an additional fridge slider, which can be quite a heavy and expensive item. And then on the right-hand side, either to have that as a slider on its own, or to attach a drawer to it and then have the addition of the slider and a drawer, which can then have items strapped or lashed down onto that particular drawer. So that's the basic idea, and this is the process that we went through to actually manufacture this drawer system. The makeup of the drawer system is essentially aluminium plates, aluminium brackets, and aluminium tubing, but there are one or two metal brackets where required. The whole drawer system bolts down firmly into the base of the Jimny using existing bolt points that came with the Jimny, so there's no need to drill new holes in the floor of the Jimny. Once all the parts were acquired, including the laser cutting and water jet cutting of many of the brackets, assembly could start to take place. This first of all involved quite a lot of drilling and cutting to get all the items ready, and then the assembly could go ahead. Once the base sliders were complete and proving themselves to be working well, we then moved to the front of the framework and finished that off with a solid panel and then covered that with a carpet to neaten it off. The last step of the modular system is to actually build the removable drawer to go on the right hand side. For this we used a material that was new to us, which is a modular aluminium framework. It is a really nice and easy system to work with. We have a local supplier who actually cuts the aluminium sections to the length you need, and then it's simply a matter of taking the correct brackets and bolts and actually bolting the system together. It is a nice, neat, clean way of working, and provided us with a nice lightweight frame system, which we fixed drawer runners to, and then installed a aluminium casing around the outside and an aluminium drawer to the inside. So overall, that drawer unit is actually quite a light unit and is easily bolted to the right hand slider and works very well. If you have any questions or comments, please comment on the comment section below the video. If you liked the video, please like, and if you'd like to subscribe and catch up on other things we're doing on our channel, please do so. Thank you.